In this video, we are going to install Node.js. With Node.js, we are going to be capable of running JavaScript code in our machine. And not only that, but we will have access to the npm or Node Package Manager, which will allow us to install libraries that we are going to use in our applications. So in order to install Node, go to Google and write Node here, and the first page is going to be nodejs.org. I will click on here, and here you have to install the LTS version. Please install this version and not this one, because sometimes this one have errors with React. So I will click on this one and I will download this version, and I will click on here in order to install Node.js in my machine. And we need to run through this wizard, and we're going to do that really quickly. We can leave all the default options and click on install, and this is done. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to go to a command line. For that I can press Window key R, and here I can write cmd, press enter, and in this console I can write node -- version, and as you can see, we have the version of Node that we just installed. So we have Node in our machine.